mga sisi ko. Ayan na akyatin namin. Akyatin natin. Tapos pababa, magpapadaus-dus na lang kami ng asawa ko. Pagod na siya. About in the mountain. I mean in the waterfalls.
Okay. You're a machine.
Why?
Not even flinching.
What's flinching? Ayan mga sisi ko. Meron pang dalawang mag-asawa dun sa baba. Hindi na nila kaya. Kami din, susuko na. Char. Another mark. Ayan, yung ilalim. Makakalula, no? Huwag kayong mag-alala, nalulula din ako. Marco,
Yes.
this area. No need to go.
Okay.
Marco!
Yes.
Is still not final?
No.
My goodness. Marco, use this area.
It's harder. Here, it's easier.
It's harder for me there. This one is easier for me. Nalulula kasi ako dun. Okay. Malco, you just need a strong stamina here.
Yes, the problem is not in the beginning. The problem is it's like 40-minute walk, you know? Up. So,
What time we arrived here? I forgot to check the time.
I don't know, but
It's already 10:28.
trust me, at least 25 minutes, at least.
I will check my later. Walking ups. How many steps we did.
Oh my god, still up?
What did it say?
I put this down. Wrote down this, no? Except in position. Oh my god. I'm gonna get extended.
Hoppa. Careful.
No. Okay.
No, just go first.
Okay.
Hindi ko na kaya mga sisi ko. Wait.
It's not there.
No way there.
Yeah, there is.
Here.
From there.
No.
See? This is down. But it says no here.
But wait. Wait, the other people. Maybe they know.
No, let's go from here. It's here. Because from down, I don't see markings. I see the waterfall there, but I don't see markings. And here it says no. Which,
Okay, let's go here.
you want water?
No? Ah, you here?
Yes,
Yeah.
but I cannot see. Ah, Bojana waterfall.
Boyano Waterfalls. Ay, mga sisi ko.
A lot of
My goodness. Ito yung ilalim mga sisi ko. Nakikita nyo?
Careful here, slow.
Kaya natin umakyat ng bundok. Pero yung sobrang taas may... Careful man ko. Opa. I need to careful too. Hey Marco, sticker.
Some here.
It's okay, Marco. Just continue.
I hope we don't go the same route.
Ayoko nang mag-ano. Until next time, we just need to wear proper, you know, proper gear.
Like what? Wear shorts and walking shoes. Oh, it's okay.
Where?
So, what? I don't know.
May nakita na kami mga sisi ko. That's why you just need to diet, Marco.
I understand.
It will not be hard for you. Yeah, it's a lot. It's sweating. Pagpapawisan na siya.
You know that probably this is the most
Dangerous.
not dangerous, but
Hard.
exhausting, tiring thing that I do.
Yeah.
Oh,
For the
well.
first time.
I never go to mountains. I never go hiking.
Now you experience it.
After all day,
Uh-huh.
immediately go up to the water. Might get a heart attack.
Please don't. We're still young.
No,
We need to enjoy our life.
I'm good. No, I
You're sweating a lot. Did you see? I'm sweating but not much.
Yeah.
Yung asawa ko naliligo na ng pawis mga sisi ko.
can see it. Yes, I'm sleeping. Super. Yeah.
Yan mga sisi ko. Parang eco park siya. Careful.
Do you know
No?
that thousands of years ago, probably millions, this was underwater. That's why they have this on the rock.
But right now? Underwater? Oh my gosh. So what happened?
Well, the continent split. There was like not thousands, millions years ago. I don't remember the exact number, but 100 million years ago, there was one big supercontinent. Huge landmass like Europe, Africa, blah blah blah, like several continents, and it split naturally, and the water came between, right? And many of the things that you see here might have been like millions of years ago underwater. Here might be the water.
Yeah. Interesting.
Some time ago. But let's see. Maybe somebody will correct me. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, where is the route here? Is
I
it
don't
this?
know.
This. Here you need to be careful, Marco.
Just go first, Marco. I will hold this. Yeah, please. I cannot hold your hand because I'm holding camera and doing vlogging. Yeah, I'm crazy, right? Even it's hard, I'm still vlogging.
Maybe you can put your camera on your head.
Yeah,
Like some people do.
next time.
Or on your chest.
Yeah,
You
next
put-
time. Oh my gosh!
No. I just turned the wrong way.
Careful, Marco. It's not easy to fall down.
I won't fall down. I just turned the wrong way.
You're sweating a lot, Marco. It's watery.
Just
Here, that's just here.
Let's just rest.
Yeah. Parang gusto ko nang bumalik. Nagsisi ako mga sisi ko. Wala pa rin kami sa tuktok. Next time, last na to. I think, Marco, last time, it's last to go like this. Because we're just two of us. We don't have professional, you know.
People go alone. What professional is it?
What if we lose our way?
You cannot lose it.
How?
Signs everywhere.
I doubt it.
Yeah. They're visible during the night too.
It's visible during the night. That's why it's good to go here early morning.
You want to turn off?
Yeah, please. Marco, they are past. Basang-basa na asawa ko ng pawis. So, naliligo na. Pinauna ko na siya. Naiiwan ko eh. Marco, no. It's not there. Okay.
It's there.
My husband is sweating a lot. Oh, I feel pity of you, Marco. Papa. Ay, mga sisi ko. May pulse na.
I think we're close.
If you don't have water, you can drink that.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's drink our water and put our
Huh?
Let's drink our water.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the water.
They're done.
Probably.
Marco, you can ask them where's the easy way.
It's not here, Marco. We need to go from another way. Wait, I think we need to return the same way. I'm thinking immediately when we go.
Yeah.
If there is alternative.
I need to go here. If they have an easy way, right? No? I'm not thirsty.
Holy shit.
Let's go back. You want to go back? No need. At least we already see this. No need to go, Marco. Huh? Listen to me.
Oh, so this one.
No, no, no. I'm final. Let's.
You can go up.
No, no, no. I'm good. No need to push it. Okay?
No, it's this.
No, 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 no. Please, listen to me. I know it.
But
I already see it. What will
I
happen?
want to fill the bottle.
No, no. It's not good. Trust me, Marco. I know it's not or not.
Okay, I'll go down to fill the
Yeah.
bottle.
Because not, I cannot
it's not-
manage.
It's not a big deal.
Me, I cannot manage. I am
Okay.
a sisi ko.
Let
Hindi
me
na
check.
kami. No, 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 please.
No, I'll leave
No,
everything.
please, please, no.
Michael, not so.
No, no, please, Marco. No need, Marco. Because I cannot manage to do it. Marco, this come here. Mga sisi ka, nandito na kami. Hindi na kami po akay sa taas kasi basa, delikado. Nag-alala ako sa asawa ko.
Careful, because water here.
Yeah. We're going back. No need to continue, mahal ko.
You want some?
Yeah. Because I live in that kind of I need to follow my instinct.
One eternity later.
Ito nga mga sisi ko. After ng mataas na namin. Nandito na kami sa baba. Oh, di ba? Ang bilis lang namin. Marco, finally, we did it. Here, here, here. This one's more flat.
Yes. But it's not very easy to navigate.
Navigate.
Careful, Marcus, careful.
I will.
Go ahead.
It's
Over there.
okay there. Never done.
Marco, don't rush. You are sleeping. You want me to hold you?
No? Just go first, Marco.
Okay, but I cannot.
Hmm.
Okay, thank you. Wait. Okay. Somebody fall?
Yeah. It's the rock.
No, it's rock.
Yeah. My rock.
Your rock?
The one that I
What is
stepped.
this down, Marco? That's it. Yes.
Yeah.
Go.
The windy.
We're very close.
Yeah, we're very close mga sisi ko.
1/3 maybe. Left. How are you, Marco?
I'm good. I feel refreshed. Did you feel it too?
No, you that.
You feel tired. I'm not feel tired. I feel refreshed. It's so... Oh my gosh. Wait, it's moving, Malco.
No, keep moving.
Wait, I feel it's moving.
Just a little bit. It's wood, of course. Yeah, we're close now. I'm wondering where the other people, the old ones, return from.
Yeah.
Or they just go to the top and they didn't return here. Maybe,
I think-
maybe just go to the absolute top.
Yeah, on the top.
I mean, the top is nice. I'm sure there is a view.
But Malco, it's not worth it if you risk your life. I already see.
Yeah, this is not. At least maybe they can move some stones, make some ropes, something, you know.
The,
Let's say if they put ropes,
Yeah.
some hangers there.
it will
Okay.
be good.
But they didn't make ropes, they didn't make anything.
Labasan.
What are you doing?
Nasa labasan na tayo. Malco, after how many hours we hike? Na yung ano nakapark. Tumami na sila. They also have parking there. Ay, mga sisi ko. Tanghali na sila dumating.
But how do you reach it?
Yeah, the question is how to reach that. Ayan yung... Nakikita niyo yung city, mga sisi ko. Is that a city, right?
Да.
It's beautiful. Ah, here. They use this area to park. Smart. It's good to live here. But it's far away, Malco, if you don't have car. Nanginginig na ako sisi ko. Nanginginig na ako sa gutom mga sisi ko. Finally.